A group of Troy University students spent their Friday afternoon teaching local fifth graders about healthy habits and how to take care of the environment. Here's how two campus groups teamed up to make learning a little more hands-on. Fifth graders at Troy Elementary School are learning more about nutrition and pollution thanks in part to Troy's Office of Civic Engagement. The lessons are part of the Gardening and Nutrition Initiative, a partnership between Troy University and the elementary school. Ella Pratt, the team lead for the Gardening and Nutrition Initiative, creates and teaches the curriculum that the fifth graders learn.
For nutrition, we like to introduce the food groups and nutrients is what we're talking about today, just so they have a good understanding of what they should be eating, what's going to properly fuel their bodies.
While Pratt works with students on food groups and healthy habits, another group learns about pollution. That lesson is led by students in Lauren Cochran's Global Challenges class.
Our students have actually prepared lessons on water pollution and recycling to share with our fifth grade students, and so it's really been a great collective experience today, and I've really been able to see our students grow throughout the process.
For Pratt, keeping students active and interested is a priority.
I like to do activities at the end of every lesson after we do the main portion of the lesson to see what they've learned. And typically it has to do maybe a relay game or something that gets them up and moving. So I feel just seeing the kids really engage is probably the most rewarding and the most impactful thing.
Students interested in volunteering with the Office of Civic Engagement can call 334-808-6349 for more information.